Okay guys, I think I just found the 3D printer that actually makes multicolor printing simple and fast. This is the Bambu Lab A1 Combo, and it has completely blown me away. So this setup includes the A1 3D printer and the AMS Life System, which lets you print in multicolors without having to manually swap filaments. The A1 is known for being super precise, really quiet, under 48 decibels, and it even calibrates itself automatically. It's also crazy fast. Prints that used to take me all night now just finish in a few hours. The full auto calibration means that you literally press a button and it takes care of leveling, flow rate, and everything else for you. And I also love the active flow rate compensation. Your prints come out sharp, clean, and consistent every time. If you're new to 3D printing, this is one of the easiest setups that I've ever used. The touchscreen is super intuitive. You can monitor or control your print from the Bambu Handy app, which is a huge plus. It's very quiet, and I've had this running while working in the same room, like watching TV, and the sound is barely noticeable. The design is also really sleek and compact, so it's perfect for a desk or home office setup. So if you've been thinking about upgrading or getting into 3D printing, the Bambu Lab A1 Combo is totally worth it. It gives you professional level results without the learning curve. It's multicolor, high speed, quiet, and it just checks all the boxes.